First going on the control panel.
So, who won?
These guys got shot.
All right.
Delete this IP address. 1. Okay.
There's one of these PCs, gents, that's got AMV on it. Can you just check?
AMV?
Video converter.
That's the IP address changed, and now we just install the game.
Desktop.
Desktop, no desktop.
No, it's not on desktop. On this one.
First step. Agree to the license agreement. I agree.
Yeah, you've got it on here. Right, you stand.
After you read all the information.
Yeah, you click next.
Yes.
You want to choose? Setup will close after this, so if you choose no, I want to continue, so yes.
Well, please.
Next step is next. Yeah, I do know what this is. Next. Installation directory, yeah. Install. And now it's just installing.
I nearly missed it after that. It's Wolfenstein!
It's on 30%.
Oh, it's going on rapid, look at that!
This is my 500 meg.
New picture, new picture! That's dangerous shooting. Not even aiming, bless him. That's when the camera's out.
Oh, it's almost done.
We're all getting excited.
Oh, would you like to place a shortcut on your desktop? Yes, please.
So it's quicker to access.
Congratulations, Wolfenstein has been successfully
I'm
installed.
finished.
And there it is.
Is that it? Kev, is that it?
Go on here, wait. That's it there.
No, that's the install bit. Down. Go down.
That's the game where it's been installed. There. That's the installation. And we're done.
Press the stop button.